So today we are starting with a question concatenation of array. So in this question, it is a very easy question, but during interviews it can be asked to test your DSA skills, like how deep you are thinking. But it is a very easy question. So let's start. You are given an array nums. You have to just simply write the elements two times, because in this question it is written that you have given an array answer, you have to return an array answer which will be having 2n length of elements of the length of given array nums. You have given an array nums, you have to return an answer array. This is answer array which is having 2n length of elements, 2 times n length of elements. Its length is n and its length. So what is the easiest way and the simplest way you can do is this: starting from each element of the array nums. This is the nums array having elements 1, 2. You have to start from first element and go here, then, and after each traversal you have to just append these elements in the answer array. You make an answer array and just append elements. First you have appended 1 and 2, then 1, and do this task 2 times, because you have to return an array of length 2n. 1, 2 and 1, and simply you will be having an answer array. But here is a catch, like interviewer can ask you a follow-up question. What will be the follow-up question? Listen it carefully. He can ask you to return an array of length 3n or 4n or 5n. So what will you do? So you have to just write a code like this, like having a n on that code, like you have to use for I in range not for 2, it should be for n, but in this question we will be using 2. Wait for some minutes, I will show you the code. But you must think out of the box, that interviewer may ask you that you have to write a code which will be having n times length of nums. Like answer array will be having 2n, here it is having 2n. He may ask you to write a code for 5n, or he may ask you a code to write for m number of times. So how will we do that? Show you. Here I have written a code in which this question details are satisfied. Like we have taken an answer array, and after that we are running a loop for 2 times, because we are just wanting 2 times length, and we are just appending each element in our answer array, and at last we are returning answer. So you can see that this code is working perfectly well. But he may ask you like this: he will be adding a value x here, and he will be asking for you to write this code, and you will be having an answer array up to x times, and x will be any 3, 4, 5, any value. So if he will ask you like this, then you have to just simply write x here, and x will be having any value. Let me write 5. Let me show you according to 5. You will see an output array having 5 times. Here you can see 1, 2 and 1 time, then again 1, 2 and 1 time, then again 1, 2 and 1 time, and again and again. So like this, you have to just play with the value in range, and you will be having an answer array up to many times, whatever the interviewer will be asking. So this was a quick catch here. You will have to keep this in. It is a very easy question. It is on string concatenation. Not to worry more. Basically, there is a method in Python like string, if you are writing like Aman, and this is s1 string, and if you will add 1 like s1 plus s2, and you will print this, and s2 will be having Ram, then it will print Aman Ram like this. So you can do one more thing here, like just return, you will write nums plus nums, simply one liner, will also run. Let me show you. Return nums plus nums. See, beats 84%, 84% in memory. It is also a solution, but the brute force which is always far better. You must know what is going on. So done for the day.